You're unique.
Yeah, we know.
Creative.
Oversized art is a great option in a larger room to create scale and proportion.
A doer.
That's the way we gotta do it from now on.
An artist.
I feel a little bit like Bob Ross. There's a happy half square triangle and another happy half square triangle.
CraftsyTV gives you always-on access to free classes, videos, and TV shows to learn baking, sewing, quilting, drawing, photography, and so much more.
I promise you're gonna love this. So let's get started.
Explore your passion.
There is never a dull moment around these parts.
Learn from experts.
Welcome to our comfy little knit and crochet corner.
Experience life in the making.
I can't wait to see what happens.
I promise you it's not gonna get any easier than this.
You did great.
Oh.
This is CraftsyTV.